It has been more than a year since the conflict in Manipur has broken out, and still the Prime Minister refuses to act decisively. There seems to be a stepmotherly attitude in the corridors of power in Delhi. They think that Manipur is a small state and the conflict is an ordinary conflict between two communities. They simply do not have an understanding of the gravity of the situation. Clearly, if the Union Home Minister, despite taking so many review meetings of the law and order situation, has failed, the current meeting, today's meeting, is not going to provide any conclusive results. We all cannot fathom why the Prime Minister refuses to take stock of the situation in Manipur and prefers to stay abroad. With this attitude, Manipur will not return to peace. And for us, that is the most important. We want peace and harmony and life to be preserved in the state of Manipur.